Yeah, had to fix another leak in the 1/4 inch line. When I was digging a hole, you've got to move the gravel back first, then dig the mud out as best you can. Here's the old line. It had split at that end, right where it connects to the manifold. So I've got a straight connector in up here, new piece of line. Hopefully this is going to work, and I hope it doesn't split further along, which it can easily do because it's old stuff. Plastic splits. Tools you need: little shovel, Vaseline, a snipper, and a knife. The knife is to cut off this bit. There's a cut line here, so you can cut it off and get it off the manifold. Gloves. I'm pressurizing the system right now to see if it works. I can hear it bubbling through. Different emitters, and it seems to be holding, so I think I can rebury it. Yeah, I'm not seeing any leaks. Good. Job done.